ADT Pulse connection issues often stem from three primary causes: Wi-Fi problems on the user end, which account for 40% of cases, ADT's server-side issues at 20%, or app and hub synchronization failures. The app relies on a stable internet connection using MQTT for real-time data. Outdated app versions, weak Wi-Fi signals, or interruptions to ADT's cloud services are common culprits. ADT's 2025 AI Assistant has reduced connectivity problems by 30%, but understanding the root causes is the first step to fixing these issues. First, restart the ADT Pulse app and your mobile device. This clears temporary glitches that often cause connection issues. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection strength using a speed test app. Ensure you have at least 10 upload speed for optimal ADT Pulse performance. Confirm that your ADT Pulse app is updated to the latest version, v8.21, as of January 2026. Updates often include fixes for connectivity problems. Finally, power cycle your ADT Pulse hub by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This resets the device's connection and resolves many sync issues. ADT Pulse requires a stable Wi-Fi network for proper operation. Ensure your hub and mobile device are connected to a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for optimal performance. Minimize interference by relocating your hub away from microwave ovens or other electronic devices that can disrupt the signal. Consider using a Wi-Fi extender to improve signal strength, especially in larger homes where the router's range may not reach all areas. The Reddit thread r/ADT highlights that switching to 2.4 GHz and relocating the hub fixed sync issues for 70% of users. If you're experiencing login issues with ADT Pulse, first verify that you're using the correct username and password. These credentials are case-sensitive and must match exactly what you registered with. ADT Pulse employs OAuth 2.0, a secure authentication standard. This involves obtaining an authorization code from the user and authorization server, then exchanging it for an access token to access protected resources. Two-factor authentication has been mandatory since 2024. The process involves entering your username and password, then verifying with a code sent to your mobile device for added security. For forgotten passwords or 2FA issues, use the Forgot Password feature in the app. If problems persist, contact ADT customer support for assistance. Watch for account lockouts from too many failed login attempts. The policy sets lockout duration, threshold for failed attempts, and reset timing to protect your account security. Syncing issues often happen when the ADT Pulse app cannot communicate properly with the hub. The first thing to check is whether the hub is within Bluetooth range. Within the ADT Pulse app settings, check that your devices, such as sensors and cameras, are correctly paired with the hub. If devices are not syncing properly, attempt to repair them using the app's pairing options. Finally, visit the ADT website to check for any firmware updates available for your hub and connected devices. In the event of an ADT server outage, such as the DDoS attack in September 2025, widespread app login failures and sync halts may occur. Monitor ADT's official website or social media channels for updates on server status. ADT has enhanced encryption protocols using quantum-resistant algorithms following past incidents. However, external threats can still cause disruptions. ADT offered free Wi-Fi extenders to impacted users of the 2025 outage. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve ADT Pulse connection issues, advanced solutions involve resetting and reinstalling. Start by resetting your ADT Pulse hub to factory settings. Consult your hub's manual for the exact reset button location, typically found on the back or bottom. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights indicate a reset. After the hub resets, reinstall the ADT Pulse app on your mobile device. First, delete the current app, then download a fresh version from the App Store or Google Play. Log in using your ADT account credentials. Finally, reconfigure your entire security system from scratch. This means setting up all devices, cameras, and sensors again through the app. While this restores full functionality, remember, this process erases all custom settings and should only be used as a last resort. Looking ahead, ADT Pulse and similar smart home security apps are trending toward AI-driven solutions and improved connectivity. Predictive security features, like ADT Pulse's AI Assistant, will proactively address potential Wi-Fi failures. Trends toward 6G networks and edge computing will minimize latency and improve real-time data synchronization. ADT aims for 2 million users by 2028 with expanded international offerings.